This video is on how you guys can log in into your Home Depot card account. So it's pretty simple, but for that, if you guys do not know what Home Depot is, basically it's like a credit card company which provides you loan for anything related with home. Alright, its name is also in the Home Depot, so it provides you loan and other stuff related with real estate and stuff. Alright, so if you guys want to know more about it, you can visit the official website. I just provided like simple information. To know more, you can visit the official website as well. But this video is not on that. This video is on how you guys can log in into it. So follow the step which I'm gonna be showing. First step is you want to go to your search engine and search for Home Depot credit card login. Once you search for it, you want to click on the first option, the Home Depot customer credit card login or apply. Once you click on it, it's going to take you to the login page of the Home Depot. Once you're over here, you want to enter the user ID and password of your account. After entering the user ID and password of your account, you want to click on sign on and you should be able to log in into your Home Depot account. And if you guys are not able to log in, then basically user ID or your password is incorrect. So make sure to enter the correct information over here. And if you forgot your user ID or your password, you can click on these two options at the bottom over here where it says retrieve user ID, reset password, and you should be able to recover your user ID and your password of your account. And if you guys want to create yourself an account, you can click on register a card to create yourself a Home Depot account as well. So these are the way on how you guys can log in into your, Home Depot account.